Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business brand highlight using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and select Posterize to stylize the brand image boldly and professionally. I duplicate the original layer for safety. I apply Posterize and adjust levels slowly while observing how tones change. Business visuals require calm precision and clear hierarchy. Some areas lose clarity, so I mask selectively with a soft brush to preserve key brand elements. I zoom in and refine edges carefully. I choose colors strategically to highlight important aspects of the business brand. I add text using the